Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the MacBook Air and unplugging everything. That protects the logic board. Once done, fasten an ESD strap to your wrist and ground yourself. Static will kill components. Use a P5 driver to remove the bottom screws, keep them organized in order, and lift the lower case with a spudger to avoid bending clips. Make sure to photograph screw locations. Later reassembly depends on returning each screw to its original hole. With the lower case off, disconnect the battery connector first, safety first. Next, gently flip up the small ZIF latches and remove the keyboard and trackpad ribbon cables. You want to preserve the tiny connectors. Unscrew the keyboard mounting brackets in sequence and separate any adhesive with a plastic pick. Don't pry metal on metal. Once the keyboard assembly is free, lift it slowly from the top edge. Watching for hidden clips, patience prevents cracked bezels or torn cables. Place the new keyboard into position, aligning the top edge clips first, then press down gently so the module sits flush. Once seated, reinstall the mounting screws in the same numbered order you recorded and reconnect the keyboard, trackpad, and power ribbon cables. Flip the ZIF latches down to lock them. Reattach the battery, replace the lower case, and power on to test keys. If a key fails, turn off, reseat its ribbon, and check for debris or bent pins. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.